This is the repaired temple piece from Maui Jim sunglasses. Prior to sanding, I let it cure for 24 hours. And these are all the materials and supplies used in the repair. There's the headlamp, Bondic, which we used on the outside, crazy glue, which we used on the inside of the repair, alcohol, and a file to gently clean the area, a small standard screwdriver in a jeweler's handle. That's an Amazon purchase, as is that. And then tweezers to manipulate the small piece, the tip, until I realized what the orientation was. So basically, two kinds of glue, a means of cleaning and a means of holding the device, as well as a way to see better.
These are a pair of Maui glasses, made in Japan. So really you just need a new temple piece. We unscrewed this. No, I mean, that would work. If you look at this side, this piece you don't want to glue there because you won't be able to open and close. So it's just the piece in there. That's the only thing that holds on to it. So we're going to see if we can attach just those two pieces right there. I might take a screwdriver and take that out and see if I can attach the piece directly. That would be a cool fix. I am using a jeweler's flathead screwdriver to remove the screw from the temple piece. And now we take that little piece out. There we go. So this is a little piece that broke off this piece right here. And I might have to put on some special viewing goggles because this is tough to see. So let me go do that. This is the part that broke off. See how the screw goes through there? Make it bigger. There you see. So that broke off. And to attach that to the frame, we're going to either use crazy glue or the Bondic. I'm going to try the... So after frantically looking for the crazy glue and tearing apart the kitchen, etc., screamed upstairs to the daughter, who admitted that she actually had it. She said, "Why didn't you call for me earlier to ask me for the glue?" And I said, "Why don't you just put it back when you're done, sweetheart? That's all." All right, so I'm going to use this to bond the inner part. I say the inner part, the medial part of this part right here. And then we're going to use the other glue to form a bond along the outside part. So. Should be interesting. Now to put a drop of Bondic on top of that to least 24 hours for full cure. This is the repaired temple piece from Maui Jim sunglasses. Prior to sanding, I let it cure for 24 hours. See if I can see this. Total repair.